Welcome back to Tink Time. What have we been up to this week? Well, it all kicked off working on the race car. It's a Lemons 24-hour racer, a Porsche 944 with a Chevy small block. Quite the car. The last few weekends we've ripped out the transaxle to get that refurbished. We've taken out the torque tube, and this weekend we're pulling the motor. So we were just checking the transmission fluid, and David got there just in time with a bucket. David's gone in to change into his Superman outfit. Where's your Superman outfit? Anyway, we finally got it free, and as usual, what started off as a decision to refurbish the transmission has somewhat escalated. And I painted up the air dam. Talking of refurbishment, we also got the parts back for the Stratos that have been rectified. Putting them in yet, but they're here. So I suppose we should get on with it. World's fastest bumper car update. Anyway, I think I said I've been shopping. And I have. Yes, it's a steering rack for a Go Kart of some description. And for these purposes, we've turned everything upside down. So what we've got there is a minimum of 22-inch track on that bugger. Back to the drawing board. Anyway, that's about it for this week. The usual ups and downs, a little bit of progress, a little bit of disappointment, a little bit of rethinking. We've got some bits coming in for the Honda next week, so we'll be doing a little bit of work on that. And of course, we're going to be doing some more on the race car next weekend. So stay tuned, do subscribe. Thanks for watching. And of course, encourage others to watch my lunacy.